Okay, Mike, this is just a quick overview of what I've done with digitising. This is the web mapping service 2013 aerial photograph from Warwickshire County Council, and it is just a thing of beauty. Here's the area that I've digitised. Just go in there and make a few changes to how this is actually displayed. So let's turn it into a simple line with a 1mm extent. Okay, ta-da. I'll turn it off, zoom to that layer. Okay, so it should now be reloading data in. So here's Tysoe, up Tysoe, all of the fields that John was after. Here's it's not a blank space, that's just the edge of the web mapping service from the council. And yeah, essentially let's turn it on. Ta-da, there's digitising that I've done. So those are all of the field boundaries as topologically intact polygons. Off, on. It's all rather nice. The other nice thing about it is if you select that polygon, you see we have it connected through to all of the roads. So we have a single polygon that covers all of the road network and urban areas here. And so essentially I've done it as a negative digitising technique in that I did the big polygon first and then just nibbled in as I did all of the fields. That also meant that I nibbled into the urban areas, which you can see say down here as we zoom in. So let's just deselect all of that. So here is the edge of Tysoe. So you're getting into some kind of people with long gardens here. You also see that I've kind of separated out wooded areas from fields. Obviously, I made a decision about what I was going to include for the road side, so that's not included, that track running up that field. John might want to separate these things up into potentially original rig and furrow fields, i.e. pre-enclosure. That's very much up to him. And yeah, it's really quite nice. I quite enjoyed doing it actually. But as you can see here, oh no, let me put this on as a simple fill. Okay, ta-da. Yeah, shared boundaries, topologically intact polygons. Everything is hunky-dory. It will look nice when it's all printed out. It obviously needs attributes adding in. There is no attribution in here at the minute. So here we are. No ID. Oh, it does have some derived information. That's really quite exciting. So there you are. Okay, so if we zoom back out, yeah, we've covered all of that area. I'm not sure if you want these again. This is a reflection of current field boundaries, and obviously you can infer where old field boundaries were. So there was one that ran across here, for example. So you can look at kind of old structural elements within that landscape. But it's really rather nice. Okay, cheers.